In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the portal name in Zoho, and we'll do it all in just about 5 minutes. It's a simple process, but it can be very helpful when you want to customize your business's portal to better reflect your brand identity. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to log into your Zoho Books account. Head over to the Zoho Books website and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you will find yourself on the dashboard, which is your command center for all things finance in Zoho. From here, what we want to do is navigate to the settings option. You can find this by looking towards the upper right corner of the page, and you'll see the gear icon representing the settings. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the settings menu, look on your left hand side for the preferences section. This is where you'll find various options to customize how different aspects of Zoho function according to your needs. Today we're interested in the customer portal, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you've opened up the customer portal settings, you'll see a section labeled portal name. This is the field we'll be working with. It currently displays your existing portal name, and we're going to update it to something new. To do this, you need to click on the edit button, which is usually positioned close to the current portal name. Doing so will open up the text field for editing. Once the text field is active, enter the new name you want for your portal. It could be your business name or a name that you think better represents what you do. Make sure it's something that aligns with your brand and is easy for your customers to remember. Take a moment to double check your typing to ensure there aren't any typos. It's always a good idea to get this right the first time. Now that you've got your new portal name entered just the way you want it, the final step is to save your changes. Look for the save button towards the bottom of this section and give it a click. Once you've done that, your new portal name will be set, and you've officially customized your Zoho Books portal. And just like that, you've successfully changed your portal name in Zoho Books. This small change can make a big difference in how your business is perceived by your clients. Remember, customizing your portal not only enhances your brand identity, but also helps in making your customers feel more connected to your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more helpful Zoho tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next video.